Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. I ain't gonna do that. The internet's favourite pair of disembodied hands has put out a cry for help. He has got one of these yellow plastic strap-ons. He's got a problem with it. I haven't got one of these things myself, although slightly different model. I'm wondering if we might be able to help out a guy who has brought so much pleasure to us on the internet. Let's see if we can get in here. That's quite in there. Oh, there we go. Bit of talk needed. Hoping this one's going to be the same. Some more fasteners in there. They've got black shit over them. If I break through that, does that mean no one's ever going to calibrate this for me ever again? Yeah, like I haven't got anyone to do that. What is in there? Definitely some screws to be got out. Okay, we got these caps off. It's just a couple of little rubber bungy things. Let's see if we can get it open. There we go. What have we got inside? Ooh, slightly different in here. Hoping this is still going to be useful. Looks like my own set of batteries have leaked some shit in here. Let's get that cleaned up. Don't leave your batteries in your stuff, people. Never, never. Who does that? Like everyone. Oh, shit, that's gone forever. Okay. Foil stuff. Take this off so we can get to things properly. See, it's a little bit different in here, but I'm hoping that this plastic mechanism is still going to be the same. Okay. So this is all one solid piece. Then you've got 4 tabs that are holding the knob itself in. And it looks like this might be the end stop for it. It's got a few more positions on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We just bend those in, I think. And there we go. That might be the bit you're missing. Let's see how useful we can be. That is... what am I doing? We're in metric now, being in England. That's 34.45 across. These parts 2mm thick. These parts 1.31. Total thickness there 3.38. We've got 1 That's got to be the D10, is it? No, that's these things. What's that for? Oh, that's the end stop, I think. Yeah, so that's the end stop hitting on the little plastic insert in there. Well, this little thing in here, that's the end stop hitting on that. This feels like, I don't know, nylon? No markings on it, I don't think. Let's give you a measurement between those two indents. That's 30.5. Yeah, there we go. I wonder if I might be able to just stick that in a scanner, send you a copy of that. I might do that. Anyway, hope that's useful, brother. Keep your dick in a vice, I guess.